What's good, my Zillas? I bought some race bars a couple months ago and I'm now uploading the video to give you guys a brief review after I've ridden with it for over 1,000 miles and put some abuse on it. This video will mainly be showing you how I install it, but want to give you guys an insight on whether or not this was worth purchasing. I'd like to mention that Compissimo sells race bars for $210, which can be pricey for some. I wanted to get the Compissimo, but I decided I'd rather spend some money on some go fast parts. One disadvantage to the Compissimo is that you cannot adjust the bars. If you are going with a race look, wouldn't you want it to be in a position you're most comfortable? That being said, I decided to go on AliExpress and shop for some alternative bars. I found these bars at a very good price. So good that I thought this was way too good to be true. When the package came in, I was like, okay, this is sketch. I mean, look how dusty this box is, yo. Either way, this is not a lot of money. So yeah, I pulled the trigger and it got to my doorstep in 6 days. Fast forward 1,000 miles, I've ridden quick, fast, through rough roads, applied heavy force to the bars. I've left it out in the sun and to my surprise, they've held up just fine. No fading in the paint, there's no warping, there are no cracks, breaks, or bends. The screws haven't backed out. I do have to say that it did come with a small paint chip, but it's not a big deal. I can just go ahead and touch it up. I didn't pay much money for this. Before we get into the install video, make sure to hit that like button. It helps out the YouTube algorithm to show my videos to others. We're gonna go ahead and remove the assembly that's on the handlebar. Saying her to be careful with hitting the car.
Daddy did the car.
Alright, so I had to adjust this. It came in the center position. I just moved it out to the next one and I put some red Loctite. Alright, I got the handlebar installed and I'm gonna tell you right now, it feels a lot more comfortable than the stock ones. I used to feel tension on my back and I'm alleviated off of that, so no more pain. That's the win in my book. Hey, you see those tires? I still gotta install those race tires. I have some ASV levers that I need to install. I also have a small little drop and a stretch that I'm gonna be doing to this bad boy. Man, look at it. Even dirty, it looks good. I have a lot of modifications that I'm gonna be doing to this bike, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave me a comment down below. Don't give me a thumbs down. Give me a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm show my videos to others. And don't forget, I have a giveaway at 1,000 subs. It might not be a motorcycle part. It might just be something of cash value, something that would benefit all my subscribers. So yeah, stay tuned, share my videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, Zillas.